And welcome to Canadian Domain Name Services Inc. Basic Account Login and Management. And as the title said, this is really basic. So here we are at cadns.ca. We click on Account and Login, and our login is by account number and our password, which I'm hoping that I've remembered. And here we are at our basic account information. This information is only visible to us. It is not shared with anybody. The registry can't see this. It's not part of any type of who is display. It's only internal to us and yourself. So the most important piece of information, of course, is the email address. Okay. We're going to edit that right now because I've changed my email address, and I want to make sure that I get my 30-day reminder notice and my 7-day reminder notice for my domain renewal or my hosting renewal so that it doesn't expire and go offline. So this is the most important thing to keep up to date. We have a security question. You can choose from a few here and put your answer in. And if all else fails and we can't identify you any other way, if you have this filled in, we can identify you in this way. Always use the buttons when you navigate our site or the links found on the navigation panel. Don't use your browser back or forward buttons, or you will get a session mismatch, which you can fix by clicking on another button or another link that's attached to the navigation panel. We can change our password in here. We force a strong password, so you're going to see the green bar come up there once I've reached the strength that is acceptable. And I always like to add a couple of extra characters after that. A 12-character password is not out of the question today. Hackers have very strong computers nowadays to be able to do programmed attacks, so the stronger your password, the better. And there we have it. This is your basic account information and management. And from here we can renew domains, renew our hosting, check our registered domain list, check our hosted domain list, and check our order history. And it's always a good idea to log out when we're finished so that prying eyes cannot see any information. And thank you for watching our basic account management video. Have a nice day.